Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion time tracking with project templates, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new workspace if you haven't already done so. In your workspace, click on Add a page in the sidebar. Name your new page Project Templates for easy access. Once the page is created, choose a database option, such as Table. Set up your table with the following columns: project name, start. Create a new page for the task database and name it Task Tracker. Inside the Task Tracker, add similar columns: task name, navigate back to your Project Templates page. In the Tasks column, select Add a relation and connect to the Task Tracker database. This connection enables you to see all tasks associated with each project directly. Next, customize the view of your Project Templates database. Change the view to a gallery or board to visually represent your projects. Now it's time to add a template for new projects. Click on New to open the template editor. In the template, include predefined sections for project details such as goals, deliverables, and notes. You can also add a linked view of your task tracker on this template. This way, new tasks can be easily added directly from the project page. Save the template with a clear name indicating it's for new projects. To make time tracking more efficient, consider adding a Pomodoro timer or a simple checkbox for completed tasks. Finally, test your setup by creating a sample project and logging some tasks. Ensure everything flows smoothly and adjust any columns or templates as necessary. Once satisfied, you're ready to start tracking your projects efficiently using Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.